Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today this is yet another video regarding the recruitment process. So in this we'll be discussing job openings in 4 prestigious company and how to apply for that, what are the eligible criteria, what is the job description, everything. Before that, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. So before getting to this content of this video, I would like to make a gentle reminder that we are providing 21 days of crash course on aptitude, reasoning, coding, everything related to online assessment. It's a complete package of online assessment, and the enrollment have been started on 9th of April. And it's going to end by 30th of April. So the whole package is available to you at just rupees 249. This is a great opportunity to get a guider, to get trained. Since it's a live session, you'll be getting individual attention so that you can keep a track of your improvement. And the recorded videos too will be available to you under this package, so that in case of revision, you can make use of that. And as I've said, 30th April is the last day for the enrollment. So make your enrollment at the earliest so that you will get plenty of time with the recorded materials that we provide for the revision. So aptitude and reasoning session will be handled by Pratik sir, and coding will be handled by Soumya ma'am, who have years experience in it. So now let's get started with the video which we was talking about. The links to apply for all the jobs will be there in the description box given below. Have a look at it. So first, let's start with Trifacta. So they are hiring for the software engineer backend. The location is Bangalore, India. So let's go for the job description, and about the company details, etc. are given here. So about the responsibilities, write elegant and efficient code, design modules or components, work on full stack features for our product or photo, engine with end-to-end ownership, collaborate closely with other engineers and become a valued member of team. You will work with a world-class team of peer and senior engineers with strong mentoring. You will see accelerated learning and growth in a collaborative environment. So these are the responsibilities you'll be handling when you get into this position in this company. So the requirements, I mean, the eligible criteria they're looking forward in you to get into this, to apply, make your candidature in this are strong in algorithms or data structures and problem solving, experience with Java or Node.js based stacks, experience with object-oriented design, excellent communication skill, strong team player, knowledge of JavaScript, React, etc. as a strong plus. So they are demanding some of the basic programming skills and backend skills with communication skills. So this is what are the eligible criteria they're looking forward for. This is an entry-level job. Freshers can definitely have and can make your application. So here we have the slot to make your application. You have to provide your first name, last name, email, phone number, your CV, cover letter, resume, whatever it is, and LinkedIn profile, website. And it is better if you update your LinkedIn profile well and provide the link to all of the jobs that you are applying, because it's an added advantage. And after that, you can submit your application. So this is how you have to make your application through Trifacta. So the package for this is approximately 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. So it is a great package for starters, so you can have it a try. Now let's move on to other, which is Silicon Labs. This is an intern opportunity. I mean, they're looking forward for the students who are currently studying. So as you know, that internship is one of the greatest thing, or one of the greatest milestone in your career history. So it will definitely help you when you start after the graduation, when you go for or you apply for any jobs. So Silicon Labs is hiring intern. It is University Recruitment, Hyderabad, Telangana. So what you'll be doing in that, when you get into the internship, you will be doing system troubleshooting with the computers, network, backend systems, deployment of equipment using enterprise level management tools, HW operations, that is hardware operations and DevOps, enterprise networking, wireless switches, etc., video conferencing systems, cyber security, and data protection. So these are the responsibilities that you will be handling when you get into the intern position in Silicon Labs. And now what you're looking for. They're looking forward for a bachelor's in technology, a bachelor's in engineering students with excellent written and communication skills. So this opportunity is for currently studying students, that is for 2022, 2023, 24 pass out students. So expect the first years, any engineering students can have a look at it. It's not for passed out students, it's currently doing the graduation students. Okay, so you can go to this link and make your application. So this interface let you select which country you belong to, United States or any other country outside from European state. If Indian, then you can go for that. Okay, so here we have a form. You have to fill that. So here you have to upload your current resume with the graduation details. Then you have to fill your personal details, everything here, degree level, school level, grade point, mid and year graduation, graduation year, everything you have to specify. And after that, if you have LinkedIn profile, you can apply with that too. And if you have any cover letter, you can then send application. So this is how you have to apply for Silicon Labs intern position. I'm repeating, it's an intern position. It is for currently studying students. I mean, it is not for till 2021. It's from that 2022, 23 plus students are available. I mean, eligible for this. So eligible criteria, we have already read bachelor's in engineering or technology. This is the basic thing they're looking forward for with excellent communication skill too. You'll be handling the basic technologies there. So this is a great opportunity for you to get the internship at the right time, and which will definitely support your careers. Now moving on to the other, which is IBM. So IBM is hiring for the associate system engineers. So your role and responsibility, associate system engineer, will be personalized career coaching and emerging technology training, future defining solutions. So about the roles and responsibilities, about the company, everything is provided here. As I always do make you remind of this, that company knowledge is very, very important when you apply for any of the companies. So if you are not aware of this, you can have a look at it. Now moving on to, yeah, required technical and professional experience. It is the eligible criteria. That is professional knowledge related to your KRAs that requires you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge quickly and develop skills related to technical, functional, software, and soft skills. Communication or negotiation, drawn upon professional concepts to collaborate with others to carry out assigned duties. Problem solving, recognize job-related problems, analyze costs using existing techniques or tools, prepare and recommend solutions alternatives, challenge the validity of given procedures and process with the intent to enhance the improve. So these are the technical or professional expertise they're looking forward for. Now they have added some of them, that is contribution or leadership, impact on business or scope. Now your graduation eligible criteria is BTech or MTech, MCA. I mean engineering, masters, bachelors or MCA, computer science engineering, information technology, information science, software engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics, telecommunication engineering, electronic engineering, electronics, instrumentation, control instrumentation. So it is basically for the computer science and circuitry branches. Okay, so it is eligible criteria as BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, ME, and the eligible, I mean the branches which are eligible are the circuitry branches and computer science branches. So to this position too, the annual per income is approximately 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. It's approximately that. So you can make your enrollment. So here you can click this link, apply now, and get started with your profile. So yes. Here you have a form to fill your personal details, resume, first name, your primary email, everything. If your experience level, everything, you can make your application here. See, intern, early professional, everything you can make it. And after that, you can apply for this job. Okay. So this is how you have to make your application in IBM. So next, moving on to the one which is software engineer at Dell. But this is not an opening for fresher, this alone, but it's an entry-level job for sure. So they are hiring for software engineer, Hyderabad, position is Hyderabad. Now, yeah, These are the job responsibilities you will be handling there. Work with complicated business applications across functional areas. Take design from concept to production, which may include design reviews, feature implementation, debugging, testing, issue resolution, and factory support. Manage design and code reviews with a focus on the best user experience, performance, scalability, and future expansion. So essential requirements is 1 to 3 years of experience. This is an entry level job, but it's not for freshers. 1 to 3 years of experience in software or coding or IT software. Now, experience in test automation tools such as Selenium, Cucumber to develop automation testing scripts for web and client server applications. BDD, behavioral driven development, and TDD, test driven development, and experience or knowledge is a plus. Ability to write quality code in Java, at least. Another high level language like C or C hash, etc. Good knowledge of Selenium framework, ability to test and troubleshoot scripts for performance and quality improvements. So these are the essential requirements. They have mentioned here it's 1 to 3 years of experience, but even if you are a fresher, if you have a prior intern experience, if you have taken internship, then you can apply to this position. Okay, so next, desirable requirements are experience working with QA automation engineering position for web-based application, strong knowledge of software QA methodologies, tools, and processes, front-end development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, AngularJS, etc. Now, moving on to the application. So it's a software engineer position. So computer science, they have specially given the requirements in the software and technology. So it will be applicable for computer science related branches. Now, since they have said for 1 to 3 years of experience, it is for 2018 to current students. I mean, if you have a 2021 passing out students, if you have prior internship experience in technologies, then you can also make it a try. Okay, so you can click this apply now link, and you will be having a form. So you can provide your mail address and password. If you are new to this, you can create your account, else you can sign in with that. And you'll be getting a form where you have to fill your personal details and get started with it. So now this is how you have to apply for these 4 job openings, which is currently available. So make use of these opportunities. The links are there in the description box. Make your application at the earliest before these links expire or it get filled by the applicants. So now, if you have any queries regarding anything, then you can let us know in the comment section, or any suggestions regarding the videos that we put forward to you, you can make that too. So until I come up with another video regarding this recruitment, thank you and have a great day. Stay tuned to Online Study for You.